Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to post a YouTube short the right way. All right, so if you don't have a YouTube short video, you're going to or maybe get it from a longer video. So we're going to our CapCut. All right, so I'm going to get a longer video and edit to a shorter video of about 30 seconds. All right, you can actually make yours more than that. So I'm going to select one video. All right, so when I select the video, I'm going to split, which I know you already know how to split and delete. All right, so I'm going to split. When I get my desired length of shot, I'm going to split and delete the other parts. Remember, there is always a CapCut watermark at the end. Delete the watermark also. So once you get your shots, once your shot is ready, just delete the watermark at the end. Then click on export and export your video. So your video will be ready in your phone. Now the video is loading. All right, okay, now that the video is ready, what we're going to do next is to head over to our YouTube app. All right, we're going straight to our YouTube app right now. So click on the app. Once your YouTube app is open, all right, once your YouTube app is open, okay, right now our YouTube app is open. What we're going to do next is to click on the plus button. All right, to add our shorts, we're going to click on the plus button and add our shorts. Okay, yes, you can see video, shorts, live, and the rest. So click on the shorts to bring in your video. You click on upload. You click on add, I mean to say, click on add. Okay, now once you add your video, you can actually still readjust it. That is to trim it from here. If your video is too long for you can trim it from here and click on done. So which we're going to is going to take you to the next page. All right, so click on done. Okay, click on the good icon and go to the next page. All right, from your video you can see the pencil icon there. Add the catchy part of your video to appear as your thumbnail, then add your title and your tags, then choose private. All right, do not be in a hurry to choose public, choose private for now. All right, then we'll go to the next option which says the video, if it is meant for kids, you're going to choose it's not meant for kids. All right, okay, the related video, you can add the longer part of this video. If you have the longer part of it, you can connect it to this short. All right, then the next one is you upload. All right, now upload. After uploading the video, we'll now head over to our YouTube Studio app. Okay, we're going to go straight to our YouTube Studio app. Once your YouTube Studio app is open, head over to content, click on content. All right, you're going to click on the shorts that we just posted. So we're going to click on the shorts we just posted. All right, so when we click on the shorts, we're going to click on the pencil icon. Okay, all right, so we're going to click on this pencil icon. All right, and we are going to add our description. Okay, so you can see add description. So we're going to add our description. So type in whatever your description is about your shot. All right, Okay, after adding your description, the next option is if this video is meant for kids, which you have already talked about, all right? Okay, we're going to add related video to this video. So click on the related video, add the longer part of this video to it. Okay, now link the longer part of this video to the shorts that you just uploaded. So link the longer parts. Then the next thing is to add to playlists. So add your video to playlists. Alright. You can add to up to 3 different playlists. Alright. Now the next thing is authored content. That's the next option we have here. Is your content authored in any way? I choose no because mine wasn't. Alright. Then the next thing you want to do here is what? Okay, the comment is already on. Okay, now the next thing you are going to do is to add tags. Make sure you add tags that are relevant to your channel and to your videos, right? Add relevant tags, all right? So when you are done with everything is intact, all right? We are going to change our video to public, all right? So when we are done with everything, we're going to change our video to public. After changing our visibility to public, the next thing we are supposed to do is to save, all right? Now, after changing it to public, the next thing we are supposed to do is to click on save, all right? When this is done, everything is ready and our shot is ready. So guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. All right, don't forget to like, share and comment, subscribe to my channel, right? And I will see you on my next one. Bye.